Welcome back, everybody. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I like to post all sorts of homemade recipes weekly, so if you consider subscribing, be sure to click that bell notification to get all of my latest videos. Okay, today I'm going to do something a little different. I might be doing these types of videos every now and again. I am going to be making a meatless chili using Beyond Meat. Some of you may have heard this. This is basically a pea protein plant-based meat alternative. I saw it at the grocery store and I thought I'm going to give it a try. So today I'm going to make a meatless chili and I'm going to review it for you guys and give you my honest opinion. And here's how I do it.
Okay, so the ingredients I'm going to be using is 1 pound of Beyond Beef plant-based ground, 1 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed kidney beans. You could use the beans of your choice. 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of pepper, and a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. You could use a hot sauce of your choice, some vegetable broth or stock, and 1 small onion diced. I also have 2 cloves of garlic minced and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now I'm ready to start making this chili. So first I've preheated my pot and added a couple tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add my onion and saute. Now that my onions have turned translucent, I'm going to add my garlic and continue to saute. I am working with a medium to medium-high heat. I don't want to burn anything. Okay, so now I'm going to add my Beyond Meat, and on the package it says to make sure to cook for about 8 minutes or so. So I'm just going to break it up and cook it and saute it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add my dry seasonings and continue to combine and cook the ground plant-based meat. And now that that is combined, I'm going to add my tomato paste and give that a good mix. And then I'm going to add my all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to combine this and cook the flour for about a minute, depending on how high you have your heat. You don't want it to burn, but you do want this nice crust at the bottom of the pan, and that will indicate that it's time for your broth or stock. I'm going to be using around 2.5 to 3 cups of vegetable stock. And I'm going to pick up all of that golden crust at the bottom, and then you'll notice that my sauce and chili is starting to get thick, and that's exactly what you want. Now that that is thickened and combined, I'm going to add my kidney beans and my 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. And the ratios for this is up to you. So now that everything is combined and simmering, I am going to cover this with a lid. I'm going to lower the heat and allow it to simmer for 20 minutes. On the package, it does say not to simmer beyond 30 minutes. So after 20 minutes of simmering, I am going to serve a bowl of this meatless chili. And I gotta say, my kitchen smells great.
Okay, so my chili is ready, and I gotta be honest, I already tried some. I had to try it for seasoning, but right away, I can smell when I open the package that it does smell like vegetables. It's not a bad smell, but for those of you that are looking for a plant-based meat, if you're trying to be vegetarian or just want a meatless meal, I will say that. And honestly, I don't think it's a bad thing. Okay, I'm gonna go in for another bite, and I've dressed mine with some lime and avocado. You can do whatever you like as far as toppings. Okay, so texturally, it tastes like meat. It has the texture of ground beef or ground meat. Now, a lot of how you flavor this is going to determine what it tastes like. I use that smoked paprika in this, and it's perfect. It's enough smoky flavor. The chili powder, the tomato paste, the combination of ingredients and spices really does taste like chili. And after cooking it, it's still earthy, but it tastes like meat to me. And like I said, for those of you that are just trying to change up your diet, just want a meatless alternative, I think Beyond Meat tastes really good. Now it does contain sodium, so you might have to be careful when you season it with something like salt. But other than that, I think this is going to be on my meatless meal menu. I like it. It's really good. So I will leave the ingredients and measurements in the description below. And I gotta say, I think I have another meatless meal idea. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye.